I am Captain Randy B. Esculango, PCGA. Presently, I am the Director Auxiliary Squadron of 111th Auxiliary Squadron under the Coast Guard Auxiliary District, National Capital Region, Central Luzon of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary.
PCGA has three mandatory projects for marine environment protection. These are the coastal cleanup, the build the reef, and the mangrove replanting.
Recognizing the importance of coral reefs as diverse ecosystem, the 111th Auxiliary Squadron has recently launched a marine environmental project aimed at creating an underwater rainforest to save threatened aquatic life. Dubbed as Build a Reef Project, the PCGA's marine conservation efforts are now underway as layers of concrete blocks have already been submerged some 100 meters from the shoreline of the ACEA Beach Resort, formerly known as Dungaree Beach, inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone.
In line with our mandate na maritime environmental protection and maintenance, madami na po kasing mga corals ang nasira through natural and man-made causes.
This project is envisioned to give a new lease on the life of declining marine species that depend on coral reefs to survive.
Tayo ngayon sa Subic upang maglagay po tayo ng fish sanctuary, or we call it fondly na fish condominium.
We would like to share our experience with the hope of helping other squadrons and at the same time contribute in the improvement of the activity. The first step is the site selection. We have chosen this location because of its ideal water condition, the water quality, and the wave interaction. And at the same time, it has an easy access for recreational visitors and volunteer divers for monitoring purposes. The next step is selecting and gathering of materials to be used for the project. We used 45 hollow blocks per module. These are highly durable, stable, and readily available. These modules can provide adequate surfaces and habitats for the settlement and growth of organisms, which in turn provide a substrate food and places of refuge for fishes. All materials used in the construction must be free of toxic substances that are harmful to humans and aquatic life. In designing the module, we also considered the logistical requirements and resources that we have. It is advisable to test the reef module outside water to be able to plan out the building process. There are two ways to deploy the materials to the site. One is the use of a boat. The members will load the hollow blocks on the boat. As the boat arrives at the drop site, the divers will unload each block to the seabed. Another deployment option is to create a makeshift raft that you can pull to the site where the divers are waiting. In building the reef module, we start off with the base and carefully adding more blocks. Add 5 blocks at the center for support. there are a total of 5 layers in each module. Lastly, there will be scheduled weekly visits to the site to monitor fish population and check for structural integrity of the module. All information gathered will be used to improve design and evaluate cost-benefit.
The 111th Squadron has embarked on this project today, and I understand that only yesterday they brought down a few hollow blocks, and today they already see some fish that are inhabiting the complex, if you want to call it that.
The 111th Auxiliary Squadron is dedicated in protecting our marine resources as one of the mandatory projects of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary under the command of its National Director, Vice Admiral Valentin Prieto, PCGA. This Build a Reef Project was participated in by volunteers from various sectors. This includes coastal residents, government employees, environmentalists, students, and businessmen of the Freeport. So far, the 111th Auxiliary Squadron has established 6 reefs units in its project site inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. We want people to appreciate the importance of reefs while marveling at the beauty of underwater rainforests.
I would like to invite all PCGA members and encourage them as well to embark on projects like this, Build a Reef project of ours, and expand it further so that our environment, our marine environment, will be benefited, as well as all of the coastal communities around.